So what I didn't tell you was that in addition to getting the shower put in the downstairs bathroom, we are also getting a little bit done in the master bedroom. We're getting an electric fireplace installed in the bedroom. So Manny is in here working now. Come on, you're fine. Come on, you're fine. He's in here working now to get the fireplace installed. So let me show you around. So what he's gonna do, he's building a fireplace surround right here, and then we got an electric fireplace that we're gonna recess into this new opening, and then he's gonna tile the entire thing. And then I bought some 2 side tables that go on either side of the fireplace. So here's one of them. The other one is somewhere covered up, but this is one of them. So we're gonna put that in there, and then we're gonna paint this room. I think we're gonna paint the sitting room a gray color, similar to the ones in the bathroom downstairs, similar to the gray that's downstairs. So we're gonna see. I ran out a little earlier to go to the nail shop, and I needed to pick up a couple things from the store. So I am back from the store, but Manny is gone. So let's see what progress he made since I've been gone, because I did not go upstairs. Let me turn around. I did not go upstairs before I left to head to the nail shop. So I don't know how far he got from what I recorded, what I just showed you guys before. So let's go take a look. He left like every day he does. He leaves his supplies here, and it looks like he's already cut some sheetrock. So let's go see. I think Bay is up here cutting his hair because we're about to go to dinner. So look at my room. This is how we have to sleep for the next, I guess, couple of days. But yeah, this is what we're working with. So, oh, if you could see, let's see what we got. Oh, so he did sheetrock it. So the sheetrock is up. The wall, oh, all this dust. Can you guys see the dust? The wall is up. So this is gonna be the fireplace. The whole thing, and then that's where the insert will go, which was supposed to be to deliver it today. But you didn't get a text or anything saying he's actually getting dressed in the, okay, you need a white t-shirt? Okay, so I'm gonna get him a t-shirt, but this is where the insert will go. And then I think we're gonna put a mantle here, and then we're gonna have a spot for the TV. And looks like Manny has the outlet ready for the television. We may or may not put a TV in here. It may put a piece of art up there, but I don't know if you guys can tell. This is really tall. I think the ceiling in here was 11 feet, 11 or 12 feet. It's really, really tall. This looks so nice. It actually brought so much drama just with sheetrock to this room. It actually looks really, really good. I am excited. Okay, I'm too excited. Let me pull myself together. All right, so Bay has his t-shirt, and I'm walking back into the sitting area from the bathroom. So this is the opposite side. And I don't know if you can tell. I'll get him to stand beside it so you can kind of get an idea of how tall this is. This is really, really nice. We went back and forth with how deep we should make the fireplace. But we kind of landed on it should be as deep as the cabinets that we got. So the cabinets I showed you guys earlier, the fireplace will be flush to the cabinets we bought. The cabinets won't be as wide as this. They'll just kind of sit in the middle, float in the middle here, but they'll be the same depth from the wall as the fireplace. So that should look really nice. And it looks like he brought a tile up here. So when he comes back, I don't know if today is Friday, by the way. So I hope he's coming back tomorrow, because if not, this is what our room is going to look like for the weekend. Enzio, did Manny say he's coming back tomorrow or Monday? Tomorrow. Okay, good. Because he can probably finish, he'll probably finish tiling it. He'll tile this tomorrow, right? All right, great. Yeah, so that's cool. So he'll tile this tomorrow, and then he'll probably come back and, I don't know, he may be to tile and grout it tomorrow, because he has it set up to where he can put a whole piece of the tile up this way, so he won't have that many cuts. And I think he said the front facing will take 2 whole tiles as well. So it may actually be a pretty easy job for him to tile it. And here's the tile down here on the floor. I think I showed you guys this earlier, but that's the tile. And yeah, we're getting a fireplace put in the sitting room, and it is the dead of summer. And this week has been like one of the hottest weeks. I think they're saying like on record. I think today it got up to like 98 degrees, like the regular temperature. And the heat index was over 100, so well over 100. So, but hey, we're getting ready for the winter. Hey, after you get dressed, I want you to go stand beside the fireplace so we can kind of get an idea of how tall the fireplace is. Because I don't think you can tell. They can't tell from the camera. He's looking at me like, leave me alone. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but my suitcase, not just my suitcase, but our suitcases are still out from the cruise. Because, you know, we took a break, but Manny didn't take a break. And the suitcases are still out from the cruise. So we'll get those put back up, because actually we have another one coming up, but it's not until September. So we got to put that stuff away. And hopefully by the time, we'll have all the construction finished, but hopefully by the time we leave for vacation in September, I'll have the bedroom pulled back together like I want. Because when we come back from vacation in September, it'll be into October, and it'll get to be fall, and you know, that time of the year where you're kind of spending more time inside the house. Days get shorter. So hopefully we'll have this ready to go. I'm going to take my time, and I'm going to try to be purposeful about the pieces that I buy. So we'll see how much I get done, but I'll take you guys along with me. All right, so Bay is standing next to the fireplace. Scoot over a little bit, and as you can see, the fireplace itself, the box, is like at his waist. So you can tell that it looks like, I don't know, at least from where I'm looking at, it looks like it's low, but it's not really low. And look how much room is above him. So, yeah, and my hubby is she's right below 6 feet. So it's 2 of him above there. So it is really, really nice. So we're headed out. We're headed out to get, hold on, let me grab my junk. All right, I gotta get my shoes, but we're headed to get some dinner. I don't even know where we're going. We have an idea, but we've gotten dressed, and he's gotten dressed, and we're gonna head out for some dinner and then come back home. Are we gonna sleep in our bed? It's a mess in here. Are we gonna sleep in our bed, or are we gonna? Yes, why not? He said yes. But our room is a mess. But we have this drape up, so maybe, I don't know. I think I'm gonna be dusty. We'll see. So as soon as I just walked downstairs, I got a text from UPS, and they say, oh, look what's here. They say the fireplace is here. So they'll come and get this. I guess it would come at the end of the day, which is fine, because he'll have that ready to go and insert it. I guess he'll put that in after the tile goes up. So we'll see. I don't know, but it's here, and it has a big hole in it. Let me check this out. Hold on. Is that hole anything significant? Because it's a glass front. Is that the back? Okay, because I'm like, do I need to call them tonight?
mean, once we open it.
Once we open it, we'll see. All right, well, we'll find out, but we're going to dinner.
So that's the general smoking area out here, or and then over here in the hallway?
In the meeting area, that's going to be, we're going to have a full kitchen, full bar. We'll be doing pairings with burgers, scotches, cigars, and food.
How long before that?
It'll be the end of the fall.
Okay.
Oh, right on time.
Yeah, I love it.
Been chilling in Bay's man cave. Ashley dozed off and let me go in here and see what's going on. So Bay went and got a TV. I thought we were gonna wait on the TV, but he wanted to go ahead on and make sure everything worked right, and then Manny could put the mountain brackets up and not harm the tile. So we have the TV, and this is the progress that he's made. All right, so he has the tiling going, and I don't know if you can tell, but this is the tile. So that's the tile. Looks, the color is close to the back of board, but over here is, so he's done this side as well. So we are coming along. He's having to make, he's very particular. Well, not in a bad way, in a good way. He's gonna make his cuts really, really right and nice. So here where we are, midway through day 2 of the fireplace. So things are progressing. As you can see, we've cleared out a lot of the floor. Things are still covered because they have applied the grout and inserted the fireplace. Once, I guess, the grout sets up, he'll go back and, oh, actually, he's already notched out the spots for the TV mount so that we can hang the TV. And it looks really, really good. So once we're probably done, probably when he cleans this up, he gets done downstairs. I don't know when I'm going to start painting. But we are going to paint in here. And I want to paint the same gray color that's downstairs. I want to make this area like really, really moody, like a moody sitting area. So I'm going to paint it gray. And then I have these light colored chests here that are going to go on either side of the fireplace. And I really think it's going to look good. So I'm going to take the mirror out, that picture out. We said we're going to take the chest out. So that's going to go. And I have a picture that goes there. And then I have a table, or it's a shelf that'll go there. So I have plans for this space. So we'll see how it all comes together. That will be a later vlog. We just need to finish this construction, and they are actually making great progress. So I also picked up a chandelier from Lowe's. I really, really like this. I actually love this for the dining room, but I bought it to go upstairs in the sitting area. So we're gonna hang this as well. Hey guys, so it's the next day, and this is a picture of what the kitchen looks like. Well, it looked like before, but as you can see, we had this peel and stick floor tile that we applied along the bottom of the peninsula. Try to give some drama to this space, but it was a fail. It did not work. The tile did not stay. So what we're doing is we're using the same tile that's around the fireplace. we're gonna have Manny install that same tile here. And because he's already here, he's doing it at the same time. So he's gonna come downstairs and on this day and start work around the peninsula. All right, so all of the old tile is off. And we knew that if we tried to take that old tile off and do something different, we were gonna have this issue of the sheetrock peeling, and we would have to repair all of that. So we didn't even wanna try, and it's exactly what we thought it was gonna be. So now that we're gonna get the new tile placed there and a professional is gonna do it, it should look really, really well. Stay tuned. I don't know which day this is, but it's the end of it's Monday. Well, just scratch all of that. I don't know what day it is, but anyway, he's finished the peninsula. So we have the tile around the peninsula. This is looking really good. And then when we put the chairs back, all of this will tie together. So tomorrow he's coming back to finish everything off. So he'll, well, not everything, because we still have to get the glass in the shower. But he's going to finish the tile work here. So he's going to grout here. He's already grouted upstairs. So tomorrow he'll be able to clean everything off, clean the grout upstairs. Babe is about to hang the light fixture upstairs, and I'm about to run to the store. But things are coming along. So Babe has the new chandelier up. And is the light bulb different? Can you see? I can't even look at it right now. Oh, okay. Can't tell the difference. It is so much brighter in there. We never had this much light in this sitting room. But this is the end of, I couldn't remember downstairs, but this is the end of day 2 of the, is it day 2 of the fireplace build? No, this is day 3, right? I think it's the 3rd day he's worked on the fireplace. Yeah, because the first day he was building the frame and put the sheetrock, and then he came back and tiled. And yeah, so this is the end of day 3 of the fireplace. And we have the light fixture up. It's coming together. All right. I am going to end this vlog here, but here are a few pictures of what the finished construction work looks like. The tile downstairs around the peninsula and also the fireplace. It came out absolutely gorgeous. It came out exactly how we wanted it. So now we're gonna start painting upstairs in the bedroom and finishing off that space. We have some stuff that we're gonna reuse. We have some new stuff we're gonna buy. So please, I would love for you to stick around as we pull these spaces together. We have a couple of more projects we're gonna do downstairs in the family room that I haven't shown you guys. So please like and subscribe and come back and watch us on our channel. See you next time. Oh wait, I almost forgot. The shower doors for the bathroom downstairs are in. So stay tuned. I'll have more content really, really soon.